Hello guys, welcome back to EM Advisor. So today I'm gonna discuss about the present continuous tense. Okay, so in this video I'll be discussing about all the sentences like affirmative of present continuous tense and the negative and also interrogative of negative and also WH question. Okay, so and with the a lots of example. So if you get a little bit helpful from this video, then please you like, comment, share. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so now we'll learn about the present continuous tense. So at first we have to know what is the present continuous tense. So present continuous tense means the work which is happening, which is occurring. That means the work which hasn't been completed yet. So in this sense, we have to use this structure, mean present continuous tense. So present continuous tense we have to use for the continue action. For the continue action, the verb which hasn't been completed. So structure is that at first we have to use subject, then am is heard, then main verb plus ing, then object. Like I can say I am making a video for YouTube. Okay, so this is the subject. Now we have to know the where is am and where is and where is are. Chalo, we have to know the after I it will be am. This is for always am for I. Okay, so we have to know am for I always, and is for singular subject, and are for plural subject. So this structure, this rule, if you memorize this, then you won't get any problem. Okay, about using of am is are. So what did I say? After I it will be am always, for always. Okay, and is we have to use the is if the subject singular. If the subject is singular, we have to use are if the subject is plural. If the subject what? Plural, then we have to use are. So let's move. So I am making a video. I am making a video. Now you are watching my video. You are watching. You are watching my video. See, yeah. See, you is the plural subject. Okay, so you know you is the singular and also plural. So here you act as a plural subject. So that is why we have used are. So you are watching. You are, so subject at first you, then are. Already told you is the plural. Okay, singular as well as plural we know, but we have to consider as a plural. So you are, then main verb watch. Okay, so watch is the main verb. WATCH, watch is the main verb. So after that we have added ing. Okay, so main verb with ing. So watching, you are watching an object my video. He, okay, yeah, he is playing football. He is playing football. See, here subject is the third person and singular number. Third person singular number. That means I told you is for singular subject. He means singular. Obviously, you know that. So he is playing. So play is the main verb. Then we have to add the ing with the main verb. So this is the playing and football. So now if we want to make it an interrogative sentence, so the sentence will be start from helping verb. So here the am will come here. Okay, so am I making a video, and will be a question mark. So am I making a video? Am I making a video? This is the interrogative sentence. Mean I am making question to you. I am making question to you. Am I making a video? Am I making a video? Yes or no? You tell me, am I making a video? Now, if I make it interrogative this sentence, so are 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 come, you put the are here before the subject. So if you put the subject before, if you put the are before the subject, are you watching my video? Yes, I can question you. Are you watching my video? Are you watching my video? Literally, are you watching? No, I think you are not watching my video. So, are you watching my video? It is the interrogative sentence. Okay. He is playing football. He is playing football. I can say, is he? Is, yeah, just erase it and move to here. Is he playing a football? I'm making a question. I'm making a question. You, is he playing a football? Okay. So you can say, okay, or and also you can make it the only negative sentence. Yeah, I am. I am not. I'm not making a video. I'm not. You can say I'm not making a video. I can say you are not. Are you aren't. You aren't watching my video. You aren't watching my video. You are. You are not, or aren't. You aren't watching my video. That means just it is the negative, just not after the helping verb. So it was the he is playing a football. Just you put not. He is not playing a football. He is not playing a football. Next, we will learn the WH question of present continuous tense. So structure, at first WH word, it's depend on the meaning. Okay, so it's depend on meaning. Then am is verb. It's depend on the subject. And also the main verb plus ing. Now, if I say what are, so what are, we are using are because you, subject is you. So what are you? Main verb do. So what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm making a question to you. What are you doing? What 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 is he? What is he watching? Here the subject is he. Subject is he. So now that is why we have used is. I told you the am is verb have to use according the subject. Here the he is the subject. So after he always come is, is the singular. Okay. So what is he watching? What is he watching? Do you know? You tell me, what is he watching? If you say what what uh what am I saying? What am I saying? I don't know. What am I saying? I don't know. I don't know what I am saying. What I'm saying. Okay, so this is how we can make the WH question. Okay, WH question of present continuous. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna finish this video here. So if you like this video, please you like, comment, share, and I will meet you in the next video. Ta-da.